what's up guys? This is Bobo Jones, and it's been quite a while for me. A lot of reasons for that. The most recent one is during Christmas break. I sprained my left hand really badly in the stupidest way possible. I was torquing a bolt with a tiny stupid tool on a fused bicycle pedal, and I tried to torque it so hard and I just heard my hand like loudly pop, and so I really hurt. I don't know how badly. I got x-rays that didn't look like anything like detached, but really hurt my my tendon all in this area between my thumb and my pointer finger. So very bad, probably level 2 or level 3 sprain. It's been almost, what has it been, almost 6 weeks, and it's still, I don't know, maybe it's healed 60%, something like that, but still get sharp pains if I do the wrong thing. I can use the clutch now, but if I do weird stuff where I put weight on it on the bike or stretch my thumb or anything, I still get like, you know, sharp pains. So not doing any long rides, just riding around the neighborhood to warm up the bike and, just stay on it and keep it warmed up and keep it in good shape. So that's a huge bummer. That also means I haven't been able to bicycle, which I do quite a lot, and weightlift. So my two main forms of exercise I can't do. So major bummer. I'm hoping it's just a few more weeks till it's back to normal. I'm hoping like the total, healing time is 2 months. I'm starting to do little stuff on it, like ride more, and just because I have to, and do some light weightlifting, where I position my hands in specific ways. But yeah, what a bummer. And like the stupidest way, it's just because I'm getting old, stupidest way to sprain it possible, like humanly possible, just torquing a bolt and like exploding it. So major bummer. So it's really funny. Last video I made was about how I had some warranty work done, and how I thought I had my 4th warranty piece of work done, but then it turned out it was my fault. This is real. I'm not just making this up for the sake of the story. As soon as I got home from filming that video, my fuel gauge, which is empty right now as you can see, started flashing essentially off on, which apparently just means that the fuel sensor is busted. So I called the dealer. They were super cool again. Remember, they fixed my last thing that I thought was a warranty issue that was actually my fault. And so I called them. They said, yeah, it's super common. But keep in mind, when I bought this bike, like new used with 500 miles from the dealer, they had already changed the fuel sensor. So this means the sensor that they changed in was now failing. And so again, thank God, I live in Southern California. I live in LA. I have one of the best dealers right near me. So like, 20-minute ride, 25-minute ride from me. Brought it in. They were like, yeah, we have the part. They had the part in already, thank God. And that's it. They fixed it in a couple days. It was really, really awesome. Actually, I'm going to go this way. I'll just get some gas. It's like, what am I doing today? I'm just riding around in circles. So they fixed it in a day. He literally told me it was a 4-hour service. I have a new fuel sensor in now. But I thought it was really funny that I, made this whole thing about how, oh, it was my fault. I didn't have a 4th warranty claim. And then boom, as soon as I got home from making that video, the fuel sensor failed. And I had to do my 4th warranty claim. So that's it. Now my factory warranty is done. This bike is over 2 years old. I have an extended warranty just because, thank God, right? Which has already covered a rear tire that got a nail in it or something in it. And this light's not going to change soon. Let me save my, it's not going into neutral. Hello? There we go. Let me save my hand from holding down the clutch too long. So that's the deal with that. I did have 4, so just to list all the 4 warranty claims. When I bought it, it already had the fuel sensor done. The seat bolts were free spinning. They had to do that. The valve O-rings failed, very common failure. They're on like the 10th revision of that part. They did that. And then the fuel sensor failed again. So that's the 4 warranty claims I've had on this bike. And I have, I think, 5 more years on the extended warranty. So lots more time for things to fail and get fixed. So that's the deal. What else? I had jury duty, which I got out of by being just overly blunt with them and honest, and just telling them basically that, you know, I would not be able to follow instructions and that I'm biased, which I am. And that got me off jury duty, so that was good. The judge, I think, knew I really wanted to get out, and so while I was being very honest about my bias and you know, toward law enforcement, that I would give law enforcement the benefit of the doubt in any case, and the prosecution. He still made me stay for 3 days, I think, because he knew I wanted to get out of it, and he was like, I'm going to make this guy suffer a little bit. But it actually wasn't suffering. It was really nice. I found an express bus I could get to. I definitely wasn't taking this bike into downtown LA, and this is my only vehicle I have. So I took the bus, which was really nice. It's like a commuter bus, so it's pretty fancy. And that's that. See, when I brake and put weight on it, that hurts a little bit, so I got to really use my legs. And that's it. Everything else is going good. The bike's running a little bit rich, I think. When I get back from riding, I smell a bit of fuel, and I think that's because the bike is running rich. So not a big deal. I'm not too worried about it. As long as there's no fuel leaks or anything like that, it's all good. And yeah, everything else is great. I need my hand to heal so I can start bicycling again and weightlifting again, but I can't complain. I can't complain. Life is good. It's a friggin' awesome bike despite all of the issues it had. Thank God all the big ones so far took place under warranty. And now again, I have an extended warranty for 5 more years. So, and the guys were great about the tire. The extended warranty guys were great about the tire. So I trust that they'll take care of anything that comes up. I'm not too worried about it. And I think that's it for me. I'm going to go get some gas. Which way do I have to go to get gas? Shit, do I have to turn left? Where am I going? Oh shit, I had to turn left. Oh well, whatever. I guess I don't really need gas. Guys, that's about it for me. Ride safe, stay safe, enjoy your bike, enjoy your life. This is Bobo Jones saying, arrivederci. Catch you next time. Bye.